Once there was a little bird. The bird lived out in the country. This story is ending sad because the bird got captured. The old hunter wanted to eat the bird. Poor bird. He got captured, and now he does not exist anymore. This story is ending sad because the bird got captured. The old hunter wanted to eat the bird. This story is ending sad because the bird got captured. The old hunter wanted to eat the bird.